Say good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Where are we today?
To the hotel.
We're in the hotel in Mount Gambier.
I'm Gambia.
Hindi na kami nakapag-video kanina dahil
Kami na
maulan. Sobrang ulan dito.
Airplane.
At saka malamig.
Airplane.
Pakita namin yung pinapanood ni JP. Pinapanood niya sa hotel. Yung sarili niya at ako. Kami ang pinapanood niya sa TV. Bago matulog. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're off to another place. No, Joy?
We're open another place.
Nag-check out na kami ito sa isa. Doon kami ulit sa isa. Because Daddy's working there.
Daddy's walking down.
Big silly. Ang lamig. Ang lamig daw sa labas. Madilim ang kalangitan. Wow. Grabe, ang ganda, no? Kasi ka sa ganito ba na? Parang sa ibang bansa.
Basta to. Patayo ba? Ito. Sa Birds Tree yan, di ba?
Bird Street.
Hello. Help. Help.
Okay, just a minute.
Help. Okay.
Hold properly, okay?
If we don't,
You might fall.
right?
You might fall. Go ride the small boat. Look, they have a small house too. Okay. Oh, JP get a small house too. Wow! Ganda naman ng aming hotel. Second hotel. Yan ang view. Wow, nice. Ang nice naman.
Wow, look at the moon, JB. Wow, nice one, JB. That's our...
Like daw na.
Hmm? Dito? Wow, guys.
Good morning.
What are we going to do today?
Morning, guys.
We're going to see two boats.
Before?
We're going to our new house.
Okay. Daddy, good morning, Daddy. Good morning, Robe.
Good morning.
Good morning, JP.
Good morning, Jaya.
Good evening, everyone.
Good morning, Mama.
Ayan yung view ng aming hotel. The morning sunshine mula sa aming bintana. Oh. Bagyo. Big waves. Isn't it beautiful, love?
Yeah,
You like it?
there's no shark.
No shark.
No running na ka, kay
We're
Dal.
on the beach.
Yeah.
Date. Kasamang aking mga boys.
Yes, that's the jetty, mate.
Ang ganda ng buhangin nila rito.
Oo nga. Saan? Oo, pining-pino nga. Masarap magligo sana dyan pag ano.
Ganito sa amin dad, pagkatapos ng bagyo.
Ng bagyo.
Malinis yung lugar.
Okay. Oh, look at that doon. Lakas ng alon doon, oh. It's cloudy, guys. Tara na. Let's go na. Kaya ano na, Joey.
Kailangan na mag-drive ng 4 hours.
5.
5 hours.
Okay, let's go. Pero buti na lang, walang hindi malakas ang hindi malakas ang mahangin.